Hi guys, Max from HiOnAndroid.com, where we get on Android every day. Anyway, I've finally got hands on my Galaxy S9 Plus. My eBay seller messed up, so I had to order from another eBay seller. And anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it, baby. Hi guys, so I've ordered the Exynos model of the Galaxy S9 Plus from eBay. This is obviously the coral blue. This is what I wanted. The model number on this is an SM-G965F/DS, which means it's a dual SIM model. I guess the US models now also have dual SIM. All right, not too much has changed other than the f1.5 camera, which is I'm really interested in. Of course, you could also do f2.4 and f2.4 for the second camera. Stereo speaker is going to be great. 6 gigs of RAM for the S9 Plus. If you buy on eBay, make sure it has the seal. If it doesn't have the seal, then obviously it's been opened before and you should get it returned and get a new one. Alright, but obviously this is a brand new one. Start guide, SIM ejaculator tool. Let me see, is it worth even opening? Oh, wow. Okay, maybe it was worth opening. It comes with a cheap rubbery case. Clear case. Alright, that's actually the first for a Samsung smartphone. I've never seen them ship with a case before, but obviously a clear case, so that's pretty cool. Okay, here's the phone, and boom shakalaka. Let me undo all the wrappers, show you a little better. Look at that. That's a beauty. Hit jackpot. Alright, I would have preferred a lighter color. The last blue color I bought on Samsung Galaxy was the Galaxy S6. I really love this color, but it's a little bit darker, but I actually really like the blue color. I was actually trying to get this for the previous Galaxies, like the Note 8, S9. The problem was, these blue colors are so damn popular that it was really hard to get hands on. But I finally got it, and that's why it took such a long time also. I don't think they had it in stock. And even now, a lot of them go out of stock. The blue is the first to go. I don't know why they don't make enough of these. Maybe it has something to do with the colors they have to put on there. But beautiful looking phone, feels very good in your hands. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, in terms of the bottom, it hasn't really changed much. You still get a headphone jack, USB Type-C, microphone. Speakers look a little bit different. So this is what it looks like on the S8 Plus, right? Or the Note 8, which I've got here. They changed out the grill for this little single thing. The right and left haven't changed much. The power button has actually moved up or slightly down or something like that. And on the left side, you got Bixby and volume buttons. These also, I don't think, changed that much. And the biggest change, obviously, is the fingerprint sensor, right? With the camera position there. I really like this. Finally, Samsung has listened to the customers. A bunch of sensors and LED. And we got a SIM card tray, another microphone up the top. Alright, let me go ahead and check it out for you. So you could use 2 SIM cards here, or 1 SIM card and an SD card. Alright, it's actually the exact same size as my Note 8, which is also dual SIM version. I'm gonna actually see if my Note 8 SIM card fits in here. Alright, that's my gold Note 8 SIM card. I'm gonna customize my phone here. Fits perfectly. Now they are slightly different as far as where this thing lines up. As far as where the waterproofing goes. So if I use a Note 8 one, I might ruin my phone if I put it in water. So I'll go ahead and put the right one back, even though it fits. Okay, enough dicking around. Let's actually go ahead and power on the phone. Sorry. I just have to find out because the SIM card, I thought I could use it. So there you go. Samsung Secure by Knox. That's something new in the logo. Now, I've actually not ever used a Galaxy S9 Plus until today. I did not go to the event this year. It just cost way too much. Booted up, wow, super quick. It didn't even go through the setup process for some reason. That's weird. Alright, I feel a little paranoid because I got on eBay. There might be some spyware. I don't know. It didn't actually give me a setup. I don't think it's been opened, but I'm still gonna reset everything. Alright, this won't erase the data on your SD card, so I'm gonna reset the whole thing just because I feel like paranoid. Alright, while that's resetting, let's go see what's in the rest of the box here. So S9, S9 Plus, care with Samsung Concierge. But this is the international model, most likely does not have US warranty. Oh my god! What is this charger for? Alright, this is obviously not for, I've seen this in, I think, Asia. Like in Thailand, I think they have something like this. Charger is rated for 9 volts, 1.67 amps, 5 volts, 2 amps. As usual, all right, quick charge, compatible. But this is an interesting looking charger. It's actually going sideways. I haven't seen the US model chargers yet. If it looks the same like this on the top here, do let me know. I don't know why it got so much bigger. So this thing, this charger is international, and also it comes out like this. Interesting. Probably won't need it because I have a bunch of chargers. All right, OTG adapter. All right, this is very, very useful. I use it when I install custom ROMs. If I want to store extra data off my phone, transfer it over while I'm moving around. You can pair it with a USB 3.0. Use the fastest flash drive you can. You'll transfer a lot faster. So I use this. I do recommend this. It's a very good flash drive. I transfer files all the time using this. So don't lose it. Have it around, especially if you're going to root your phone and install custom ROMs. You back up your ROMs onto your flash drive. Of course, we've got USB Type-C cables. Right, just a plain USB Type-C cables. And AKG headphones. These have not changed at all. So I'm not going to open it for you, but these are very good headphones. I like it, rope style. But yeah, Samsung hasn't really changed it, but very good headphones. That's pretty much it other than the extra earbuds. I'm going to actually put it back because I got to redo this whole thing for my Korean subs. I do have a Korean channel for those of you guys who don't know. If you do speak Korean, definitely check it out. So yeah, if you buy a phone on eBay and if it doesn't start up to the startup screen, especially phones you buy from China, do a factory reset like I did, you should see this screen. I don't know what happened. It could possibly be that one of the Samsung employees, they forgot to reset the phone. Maybe they were testing it. I know this is a brand new phone. Let me go through the setup process here real quick. All right, guys, signed in here. Let's actually go ahead and set up the intelligence scan together because that's something new for me. I haven't been able to test it out on my other phones. Okay, let's go into security and let's set up intelligence scan. All right, let me set up my face and let me set up my iris. All right, you can also set the transparency of the notifications. I like to set it super high. Yeah, screen on intelligence scan. Let me see how quickly it works. Ready? 1, 2 seconds. So I think a lot faster than previous version. Let's try that again. Ready? 1, 2. Wow, that is faster. Now let me go ahead and try that on a Note 8, which doesn't have it, which just uses my face. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Almost 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. So about 2.5 seconds. So maybe just a little bit faster. Try that again. 1, 2. Wow. Yeah, it's much faster with intelligence scan. Let's try the fingerprint sensor scanner. So register fingerprint by swiping? I really don't like this. We're going backwards, but let me go ahead and see. Do I need to swipe it? Oh no, you can just put it on there. Oh, wow. It's so much faster. I really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add my right side of here. So you can actually just put your finger on there, or you could swipe it. Let's see how fast the fingerprint sensor is now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Pretty fast. 1, 2, 3. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. I think it got a little bit faster. But definitely the new fingerprint position is sort of awkward now. I'm not used to this. It's sort of too short for me now. It's sort of... I'll probably recommend using a case. Let me go ahead and put a case for you guys. I do have a case video if you guys want to check out Spigen cases and Ringke cases. I already did a whole video on it. This is the Liquid Air Slim and Soft. I really like this case. So if you have a case, it's much easier, I think, to really just slide it there because you have a sort of a sliding point. Right? So I might do that until I sort of get used to it because I'm used to doing this. Alright, since this is unboxing, I'm only going to check out a few things that I've wanted to check out, such as the camera, the main camera. Now let me do a quick bokeh test against the Note 8. Let me take a photo of the box here, and I'm just going to set it right here. And I'm going to take a photo. And since it's f1.5 now, it should get much better bokeh. I'll do one in auto because with the auto, it might go to f2.4 automatically. I'll put it on Pro, so it will use the second camera. Right now, you can set f1.5 or f2.4. right, dial here. So I'm gonna set it to f1.5. Everything else is in auto. And let's check out if we got more bokeh. So yeah, look at that. So a little bit more bokeh with the S9 Plus on the left. And in auto mode, it seems to default to f2.4. So I can get a little bit more bokeh. Zooming in, I feel like the photo is actually clear with the Note 8. I may shook it a little bit, I'm not sure, but it's not a huge difference from f1.7 to 1.5, but obviously I'm gonna have to do more testing. So that's exciting. Another big thing that's different is obviously AR emoji. All right, let me go ahead and make an emoji. So there's a button for create emoji. Mail next. Creating my emoji with a hat on. I don't know if that will actually work. Oh my god, that is horrible. Let me take my hat off and try again. That does not look anywhere near me. Alright, try number 2. I really don't like it. I don't think that looks like me. In fact, I really hate it. I'm not using this feature. Sorry. Sorry, Samsung. I hate it! I look so ugly. I look so ugly with that. I guess it depends on person, but maybe it could be the lighting. But I really don't like it. I really hate it. I'm not using it, sorry. So this year there is a wide selfie. So Samsung brought the wide selfie back. All right, another huge thing this year is you can do 4K 60 frames per second. Wow, UHD 4K, that is. Let me just do a quick video here. Wow, that looks really crisp. I'm gonna definitely have a video on that, 4K 60 frames per second. It's gonna be great for slowing down footage, which I would probably use it for mostly. Alright, the international version does not have Wi-Fi calling for T-Mobile users if you're gonna use it here. It does have VoLTE if you need that, but yeah, it looks pretty solid. I mean, it's obviously not a huge upgrade from the S8 Plus, but obviously you get a faster processor, which I'll have benchmarking videos of. Camera is a little bit better, but I'll have to do some further testing. This is a pretty good phone. If you're upgrading from an older phone, definitely a very good upgrade. I just really feel like this fingerprint sensor is real low this time. It's a little too low, maybe. Anyway, guys, I'll have a full review in about a week. I'm gonna go, obviously, fondle my new phone. I'll have a great day, and as always, stay on Galaxy S9 Plus.
Click here to subscribe.